Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a brick house in Minecraft. Gather about 200 bricks, pick a 15x11 flat foundation, and clear the area before laying the first row. Build walls to 5 blocks high for a cozy feel, add a 5-block deep porch, and leave spaces for windows and a 2-block tall doorway. Finish with a sloped roof, interior lighting, and simple furnishings to make it livable. Start by marking your foundation corners and laying bricks in a clean rectangle. Work clockwise and keep measurements consistent so walls align. Use temporary scaffolding to place higher bricks safely and avoid fall damage. Leave window gaps every 4 blocks to maintain symmetry and add ventilation. Remember to save some bricks for corner pillars and roof edge details so the house looks sturdy and polished. Choose a roof style that suits your build, like a gable with brick stairs or a flat slab roof with trim. Work row by row to keep slopes even and add overhangs for visual depth. Place interior lighting to prevent mobs and create cozy rooms with simple furniture. Add decorative touches like window shutters, flower boxes, and a small porch to turn basic bricks into a welcoming home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.